much for coming and making your day with our resident. I would like to thank you. I'd like to thank you and acknowledge the nurses from abroad, namely, number one, what is it? Chlorine and Arlene and Rona and Philly. Yeah, Phil. Who contribute this 10 sacks of rice and oxtail. What is the oxtail? Yeah? Oh, oxtail, yes, good. I like to wish thank you to all. UNC, huh? UNC, batch 77. Thank you very much. Sponsor for this outreach program. You made it today, huh? It may be a long time you are expecting to come here. You are talking each other, you are making decision. We'll come to the business of the poor and we'll have outreach program. God today give us this time, this opportunity. How blessed we are with the people, with our residents. So give them love. So those who sometimes they don't have anybody, no father, no mother. Some of them have no, but they will feel your presence, that motherly love, and they will recognize and feel presence of God today. Yes, feel presence of God. And thank you for coming. May God bless you and your family, your community, your batch, UNC.
Batch 77.
Batch 77. But God bless you and continue to carry His love wherever you go. Thank you very much.
Thank you.